The topic of today's discussion is automation and the future of work. And here is some of the motivating factor. Nearly 1 million Americans will see their occupations vanish entirely by 2026, according to a report by World Economic Forum and Boston Consulting. Now that's scary, which means are we all doomed? Now, technology or automation is not a new thing. It's happening for a long time and it picked up during the Industrial Revolution. And one of the greatest assets of or outcome of Industrial Revolution is technological development. And because of technology, we have been able to automate a lot of work. Despite technology, despite automation, still we have unemployment around 5%, which we learned. In the long run, unemployment is around always 5%. It never happened that tons of people are without jobs. Now, let me show you something which is very interesting. On an average in the US, 90,000 jobs disappear each day in the United States, and which is a sad thing. And that's why this emoji with the sad emoji, right? If we are losing 90,000 jobs each day, which means that all the jobs would be gone in a few years. Now, what's going on here? How come still most of us have jobs? And here's the fun fact. At the same time, 90,000 jobs are created in the US each day as well. So some people lose jobs, at the same time new jobs are created where somebody else gets a job. All this can be grouped together into something called worker flows, and these are called job creations and job destructions, and hires or accessions and separations. Now think about technology. Now, yes, when you bring in robots, some jobs are gone, but who creates those technology or who built those robots is the human hand in the end of the day. So jobs are created in the robotics industry. Same is true today. We are seeing a gradual deterioration of manufacturing in the United States. So people who worked in the assembly lines lost their jobs. What about the technology? What about Google? What about Facebook? What about Amazon? They are the biggest job creator in the United States right now. So technology is the place where new jobs are created. Yes, somebody in the manufacturing is losing jobs, but there's a chance that a new person who has trained in new technology are ending up getting a new job in the new industry. So this is a very dynamic flow where one part gets obsolete and another new one is created. And as a result, we don't have an unexplainable or unbearable level of unemployment. We have people without jobs, and that's true, and there are structural reasons behind it, which we learned in the last lecture. But having said that, it doesn't mean that we are all doomed because of technology. Technology is in existence for a long time, and this becomes much clearer in this particular graph. It provides information on job creation and job destruction and net employment change. So these red lines are job destruction and blue lines are job creation, and these gray lines are net employment change. For some of the developed countries like Germany, France, United States, Chile, United Kingdom, and Brazil, and we can all see that job creation far outpaced job destruction. So in the end of the day, net employment change is positive for most of the countries except for the United Kingdom. So in the United Kingdom, between the period 80 to 98, we lost a lot of jobs, but at the same time, we have on a net basis created more jobs than the jobs we lost. So economy is very dynamic. Always remember, when something goes down somewhere, some new jobs are created somewhere else. The trick to survive in this economy to be innovative and always well trained. So training and skills is the main driving force that drives this modern economy. So you want to make sure that you are not obsolete for the upcoming technology.